Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we'll be talking about how to make body lotion specifically for hotel use. I'll be taking you through the step-by-step way of making the lotion and packaging it for hotel use. For those of us that participated in the free training, this is a follow-up on the free training, training us and putting us through how to become financially independent. So I'm going to go through how you are going to make this body lotion and package it for hotel purpose, so that those of us that probably want to get into this kind of business can find it easy to do. Let's go straight into the practical. Welcome back to the practical section. First of all, I would like to identify my reagents. Here is my base cream. I'm sure you can remember this base cream. This is the base cream we did, the video that I made on base cream. If you have not watched this video, I guess you have to watch this video so that it will be easy for you to do this combination we're about to do now. Thereafter, I'll be using my rose water, I'll be using my fragrance oil, I'll be using my extra virgin olive oil, I'll be using my glycerin, as well as my vitamin E oil. Now let's go straight into the mixing. Here is my cream base. This cream base is 150 gram. I'm using the total production of what I'm making today is 300 gram. So my cream base is 150 gram. And I'll be adding my rose water. My rose water is 30 ml. I'll be adding in my rose water. I hope you can see this. My rose water is 30 ml. I'll be using this container is 30 ml. It's part of the containers I brought in for packaging. I'll be using it for my packaging container rather. Thereafter, I'll be adding in my fragrance. I'll be adding 20 ml of my fragrance. 20 ml of my fragrance. I'll be using this container to measure the fragrance. I hope you are coming along with me. This is going to be an interesting one. Thereafter, I'll be adding in my extra virgin oil. My extra virgin oil is 30 ml. So I'll be adding in my extra virgin oil. You can know the original oil from its color. It has a very closely, almost, would I say, lemon color. Thereafter, I'll be adding in my vitamin E oil. Then I'm going to be giving it a thorough stir. If you have a mixer, you can please use your mixer. I'm producing a very little batch, and that is why I have to do it this way. You can see the mixture is already mixing. I want to raise it up a little. I hope you can see this. We are going to mix it thoroughly until you have a smooth consistency. I hope you can see this. Here is my glycerin. I'm adding in my glycerin now. You don't have to wait until you are probably done. I'm also adding 20 ml of my glycerin. Then I will still mix until very smooth. If you are making a larger portion, please ensure you use a mixer. I'm making a smaller portion, and that is why you see me using this spoon. Now our lotion is ready. We added 5 components to the base cream and our lotion is ready. I'll be pouring this into this container. However, so that it will be easy for me to pour it inside the container, I'll be pouring it inside my measurement container. I'm using my spoon to scoop it up. I decided to mix it a little more. Please take note that it's not compulsory for you to use extra virgin olive oil. You can decide to use jojoba oil. You can decide to use several other kind of essential oil that may be at your disposal. Now I'll be covering it with this. This is my filling container. We have bigger filling containers, if you must know. There are other containers that are bigger than this. But because my production is just a little, just to show you how to do this combination, that is why I'm doing this. So after this, I'll be putting it into my packaging container. Please come along with me. So I said earlier that here is my filling jar and here is my container. You know, you can use this to package it for an hotel. You can use this to package it for an hotel. You can use this to package it for an hotel. You can use this to package it. This is a little bigger, it's 120 ml. So for those hotels that has mega rooms for family, you can use this as the cream for a daily. They usually put it on a daily basis in each of the rooms. So if this is probably a big room or a family lunch, then this will be appropriate. This can be for a single room or either of these. Please note that either of your choice, either container that you are using for this production has a lot to do with the amount the hotel is offering to pay you. I hope you can see this. I'm filling in this container now. It has to do with the amount the hotel has in mind to pay you. You can see this. I've been able to fill this up. I'll be posting the picture on my Instagram handle. You'll see the link to the Instagram handle just below the video. You see it in the description link. So if you are making a larger batch, maybe you have a supply, there are fill up jars that are far bigger than this that I've used. We have fill up jars that are bigger than this that you will use to put the lotion, then fill it up and cover it this way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you are a newbie. If you are an existing subscriber, thank you for always being there, and see you in my next video.